Good morning. It is Tuesday, March 2nd. That means that it is Dr. Seuss's birthday. Our theme for this week is Dr. Seuss. And on Tuesdays we do science and sensory. And we are going to do a science experiment, well, a science activity called Erupting Apples. And it is going to be based on 10 apples up on top. So I thought I would read this book, and then I will make the video of the erupting apples, all right? This is 10 Apples Up on Top by Theo Lessig. Now, Theo Lessig is one of the pen names that Dr. Seuss went by. Now, Dr. Seuss's actual name, I think, was Theodor Geisel, but he went by a number of different pen names. So this is one of those pen names. This is 10 Apples Up on Top. By Theo Lessig. Oh, the pages don't want to turn. All right, here we go. 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look, you! I can do it too. Look, see? I can do 3. 3, 3. I see, I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Look, see now. I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 up on top. Can you? I am so good, I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 7 apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. 5, 6, 7. Fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we're as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. And now see here, 8. 8 on top, 8 apples up, not 1 will drop. 8, 8, and we can skate. Look now, we can skate with 8. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. We can, we can. We can do it too. See here, we are as good as you. We are all very good, I think, with 9. We all can hop and drink. But 9 is very good. But then, come on, and we will make it 10. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. Look out, look out. I see a mop. Oh, that person does not look happy. I will make the apples fall. Get out, you, one and all. Come down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. They will get them if we let them. Come, We cannot let them get them. Look out, the mop, the mop, the mop. You cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop, not one. Come on, come on, come one, come all. We have to make the apples fall. They must not get our apples down. Come on, get out of town. Apples, apples, up on top. All of this must stop, stop, stop. Now all our fun is going to stop. Our apples all are going to drop. Oh no, look at that. Look, 10 apples on us all. What fun. We will not let them fall. The end. So that is our book. I will make a video of erupting apples in just a little bit. Bye guys, we'll see you later. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that story. It is now time to do our activity. We are going to do 10 apples up on top, erupting apple. So in order to do this, we need apples. I have a red and a green apple. We need baking soda. We need vinegar, which is in my container here. It's also in my spray bottle. We need a container to catch the fizz, which is my paper plate. We need a knife to carve out the apple. This is for adults only because this is a sharp knife. We need some dish soap, which is optional, but I thought it'd be fun to see what that is, what that activity or what that situation looks like. And we need some food coloring, and I decided to go with red for my red apple and green for my green apple. So what we need to do first is we need to put the paper or the apple on the dish, and then we need to cut a hole out of the top of the apple. I'm going to do that as well as I can without cutting myself, because I'm a grown-up. I should be able to use a sharp knife without cutting myself. All right. Obviously, usually what I do, there we go, we've got a hole in the top of our apple, is I cut my apples in slices and then I cut the middle out. We're going to put that to the side, and we're going to do the same with the red apple. You can see that I'm cutting this at an angle so that I can make kind of a bowl shape in the top of my apple. There is the bowl shape in the top of my apple. Then the next thing that we do is we are going to add some baking soda, a couple of spoonfuls or a spoonful. I'm going to put a couple of spoonfuls in here. There's some baking soda in my red apple. And some baking soda will go into the green apple. Green apple's a little deeper. There we go. Then what we can do is we can add a drop of dish soap. I think we'll do that on the green apple. I don't know if it needs to be mixed up or not. Doesn't say to mix it up. go. But we'll go ahead and mix it up a little bit. Okay. Then, if we want to, we're going to add, it says we can add the food coloring at this point. We'll put a couple of drops of red food coloring in our red apple and a couple of green drops of food coloring in our green apple. I think actually, because this is gel, this might not work quite as well. Then we pour the vinegar on top of the apple. Now, it does say tip, pouring straight from a cup will produce a more dramatic volcano effect, while using a baster or an eyedropper will have a smaller eruption. So I do have a little pipette, and I thought that we could use this little pipette for the for one of the apples. Woo! Can you see it? See if I can zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you can hear it. I will. Oh, that's cool. Our apple is erupting. Erupts a little more every time. I wonder what it would be like if I sprayed some.
Answer your question. Now is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021.
Alexa decided to get in on our video. Alexa, I don't need you. Thank you.
I'm not sure.
There you go. All right, so that is our red apple erupting. And now we're going to try our green apple, and we're going to try pouring it right on top of it. All right? Here we go. Oh, that is a lot of foam on that one. Woo, that one's cool. I think that's the better one. There you go. All right. That is our 10 apple up on top erupting apple activity. I hope you enjoyed it. Before we end, I will read the scientific explanation. Chemistry is all about states of matter, including liquids, solids, and gases. A chemical reaction occurs between two or more substances that change and form a new substance. In this case, a gas called carbon dioxide. You have an acid, the liquid is vinegar, and a base solid, which is the baking soda. When they are combined, they combine to make a gas called carbon dioxide, and it produces the bubbling eruption that you see. The carbon dioxide escapes in the mixture form of bubbles. You can even hear them if you listen closely. They are heavier than air, so the carbon dioxide collects at the surface of the apple or overflows the apple because of the small vessel given it. So that is what happens in our scientific experiment. I hope you've enjoyed it. We will see you later.